Yash Vijay Gaikwad from class 10th A. Today I will show you the project that I made on surface area and volumes for maths. I have selected the shape of cone. This is an 3D animated cone. This is the slant height of a cone. This is the height of a cone. This is the diameter of a cone and this is the radius of a cone. This is the PPT that I made for my project. Cone. A cone is a three-dimensional shape that has a circular base and it narrows down to a sharp point called vertex. One of the easiest real-life examples that could be given is a birthday cap in the shape of a cone. With regards to a cone, we have two types of areas. One is the total surface area and the other is a curved surface area. The total surface area of a cone is defined as the area covered by its base and the curved part of the cone, whereas the curved surface area is defined as the area of the curved surfaces of the cone only. Cone definition. A cone is a three-dimensional solid geometric shape having a circular base and a pointed edge at the top called the apex. A cone has one face and a vertex. There are no edges for a cone. The three elements of the cone are its radius, height and slant height. Radius r is defined as the distance between the center of the circular base to any point on the circumference of the base. Height h of the cone is defined as the distance between the apex of the cone to the center of the circular base. The slant height L is defined as the distance between the apex of the cone shows to any point on the circumference of the cone. The figure given below shows how the radius, height and slant height of a cone will look like. These are the parts of a cone. Cone is a geometric shape. This is the vertex of the cone. This is the height. This is the radius. This is the base and this is the slant height of the cone. Properties of cone. A cone is a shape that has a curved surface and a circular base. The following properties of a cone help us identify it easily. They are as follows. A base of cone is circular. There is one face, one vertex and no edges for a cone. The slant height of a cone is the length of the line segment joining the apex of the cone to any point of the circumference of the base of the cone. A cone that has its apex right above the circular base at a perpendicular distance is called a right circular cone. A cone that does not have its apex directly above the circular base is an oblique cone. Cone formula. There are three important formulas related to a cone. They are the slant height of a cone, the volume of a cone and its surface area. Slant height. The slant height of a cone is obtained by finding the sum of the squares of radius and the height of the cylinder, which is given by the formula given below. Slant height square equal to radius square plus height square, or L square equal to R square plus H square. Curved surface area CSA of a cone. The curved surface area of a cone is the area enclosed by the curved part of the cone. For a cone of radius r, height h and slant height L, the curved surface area is as follows. Curved surface area or CSA equal to pi RL square units. Total surface area or TSA of a cone. Total surface area is the sum of the area of the circular base and the area of the curved part of the cone. In other words, it is the sum of the curved surface area of the cone and the area of the circular base, which can be written mathematically as total surface area equal to area of base circle plus curved surface area of the cone CSA. Therefore, TSA equal to pi r L plus r square units. Total surface area is sometimes referred to as only surface area. So whenever we are asked to calculate the surface area of the cone, it means we have to find the total surface area of the cone. Volume of cone. The volume of cone is the space occupied by the cone. The formula to find the volume of a cone whose radius is r and height is h is given as volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Types of cone. Broadly, there are two types of cones. One is the right circular cone and the other is an oblique cone. The table below lists out a few differences in how these two types of cones differ. Right circular cone. A right circular cone has its vertex opposite to the circular base. The line representing the height of the cone passes through the center of the base circle and is perpendicular to the radius. Oblique cone. An oblique cone does not have its vertex directly opposite to the circular base. The line representing the height of the cone does not pass through the center of the base. Thank you.